First you need to log in your Shopify store. If you already have the account, you can log in. Otherwise, you can start with the free trial. Free trial allows you 14 days free access in the Shopify admin. So you can manage your Shopify store and creating everything, and you can learn a lot of things in this trial period. So once you click that button, this window will be open. Just enter your email address, then password for your store, then your store name. I already take this name, so just so that this red mark is showing now. So once you create your, just hit the start free trial button, then your store will be created. Then after that you can log in. Then you can see this type of this window. Okay, here is this Shopify admin. Here we are creating our store. So after logging with Shopify admin, just click the online store. Here you can see the themes section. So just click the explore free themes. In this video, I am using the supply light free theme. So just click the supply, then light. There is the two styles included. One is the blue and another one is light. In this video, I will explain the light style supply theme. Add to theme library. Then select the light and then add to theme library. Okay, the supply theme is now added. Just add it. Just click the actions button and click the publish button. Okay, just hit the publish button. Because the theme is published, you see the store in preview. Okay, the theme is published. Okay, once our theme installed, then our next once our theme is installed, our next job is just customize and just add the logo right now. Then after the other customizations we will do later. Just I will add the logo only now. Just header, select the image, logo image. Just I have the logo. You can upload it in your computer. Just upload the logo. Okay, let's select this logo. Just come down and just reduce the width. You can set any width here. Okay, this is good. So then just hit save. You can see the preview in your website URL. Okay, the logo is updated. Then we will do the other optimizations. Okay, we successfully installed the Shopify theme. Then after that we are going to create our pages. So click this link, pages. We need to create some essential pages for every website. That these pages are essential. So here is a short rule. Just click the settings link and right click, open link in a new tab. This additional pages is called legal pages. So this section is here in the settings section. You can see a lot of options is there. So just you can see the legal section. Just click that. Here you can see by default in Shopify we can create these pages: refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service. These pages we can create from the templates. This process will be done automatically. So we can use the exact text in our legal pages. So let me start to create our pages. First, refund policy. Just click the create from the template button. The page will be created automatically. Actually, this is not a page. This is a link. It will be shown in the checkout in the time of checkout. In the checkout page, these pages are shown in the form of links. Just Ctrl A in your keyboard. Select all and Ctrl C. Then come to the pages. Add your page. The first one is refund policy. Just paste the content here, then save. Then create another page. A simpler way, you can see the template button, create from template, privacy policy is generated. Just copy the content and paste it in your new page. It's privacy policy. Just save the page. After that, create another page. It's called terms of service. Create from template, Ctrl C, select and copy terms of service. All the details are automatically generated, and your email and addresses are taken from your Shopify account. So you don't worry about the matters inside. However, you can check the information and you can change anything if you want to update this text. Okay. Once you paste it, then click the button save. Okay, then we create finally the contact us page. For contact us page, you can give just an email address, or you can use a form. If you use a form, it will be looks more professional. So creating a form is a very lot of work, but we can do this very easily through the application. A Shopify application is available in the Shopify App Store. So we just install that particular application in our Shopify store. Then we add just a short code, so we can easily create the contact us form. So you go to the app section, right click, Control New tab. This is the App Store. So here, create contact form. In the App Store, you can see lot of applications are available for your store. So you can use any app you want. So just we are using the contact form. Hit the search icon. Here you can see the lot of options. So I prefer this one, simple contact us form. Just click. hand up. Okay, then install. This is the form. Okay, so just we customize the form. Click the customize the form link. The form is automatically generated. Here you can see the sending disabled email address and other details. Everything you can see here. Just click the button, next button here. Then I want to remove this one. Okay, so everything good. Okay. So okay. Next button. Okay, this is our form code. So click finish. Okay. This is our form code. Just copy. Okay. Then you come to the contact us page. Click the code icon button. Just paste the particular short code. Then click save. Okay. So view this page in your own mail store. Here is the contact form. Okay. So the white background, so you can change anything. You can add any other fields also. So just you go to the next stage. Background. Don't choose any background. Okay. So just then enter the next and finish. Okay. Just I remove that background, so it will be updated in the page. Okay. So now white background behind the form. Okay. The contact us page we created. So then after that, okay, then after that we need to create the categories. Just you click the products link, click the collections. In Shopify, collections is called categories. The categories and collections are equally meaning in Shopify. So it's representing a group of products. So here I will show you how to create the collections. It means the categories in Shopify. Just click the products menu, the collections link, then just create the button create collection. After you click that create collection button, you can see this window. So I plan to create the store is a jewelry store, so fashion jewelry. So from AliExpress products, I want to sell in this store. So just I go to the AliExpress. Okay, AliExpress, then jewelry. Just a search. Okay, so here we can take out we will do three main categories and two subcategories. Okay, so I suggest you to open your Excel file to note all the categories and subcategories and tags, because it will be, you can use it in any time. If you not note down in the notepad or any other Excel file or any savings, you will become very confused in future. So I suggest you to use any notepad or Excel file. So just similar like this, the main category, subcategory and tag. I will explain about this section after some minutes, because tag is a very important thing. So we create the categories now. The first one I want to earrings. Earrings I want to the main category. So just put it earrings. The subcategories I want drop earrings and drop earrings, stud earrings. Okay. Drop earrings, stud earrings. Okay. Okay. Then after that, rings. Okay, this is the main category. Rings. Another one category, necklace or bangles. Okay. Here I show you the three main categories and two subcategories in the store. So after that we come to the tag section. The tags is used to connect your category and the product. The particular product is belonging to the some category. It's integrated with the tags. So you do the tag properly. So drop earrings. Drop earrings is a tag. Stud earrings. Rings. Bangles. Okay, I created the categories file. So I will save this Excel file for future use. So based on this data, I will create a Shopify categories. So just come back to the Shopify admin. Okay, let's go this. This one, okay. The create collection. Collection categories called in Shopify is collection. So the first one is earrings. Earrings is here main collection, main category. So scroll down. Here you can see the conditions. These conditions is very important to connect the particular product with the collection, with the category. So here the product tag, there is a lot of options, but I am choosing the product tag. So earrings is these tags, drop earrings and stud earrings. Drop earrings. Paste it. And add another condition. Stud earrings. Products must match all conditions. We will choose any condition because this is a main category. So if particular product is drop earrings or stud earrings, it will be representing a main category earrings. Okay, so any condition, these tags. Then after that, just hit the button save. Create another collection. Then drop headings. In the condition product tag is equal to drop headings. Just hit the button save. Then after that the another one subcategory standards. You scroll down. In the condition product tag must be standards. Save. Okay. So and another category. It's the main category. It's the rings. The product tag must be rings. In condition save. Then after that bangles. Create a new function. Bangles. Bangles. Click the button save. Now we created all our required categories and subcategories in the store. Okay. So the similar way you can create a n number of categories and n number of subcategories in your store. So that's not an issue. There is no any limits. After adding categories, we are ready to add products. In the store, I want to add the AliExpress products. Because I want to do a dropshipping business, so I'm using AliExpress. So if you want to add a product manually, you just go to the all products. Just hit the button add product. Okay. Then here you can give the title and the product descriptions here. Here the product images and pricing. Then SKU, the quantity, available quantities, and the shipping related and the customs information. Then variations. So lot of options are here. So you can add these options manually in this section. The each product you need to update manually. So here I want to use AliExpress products, so I want to use a special plugin that's called Pobello. You can see this in the App Store. So I just want to install this plugin because this plugin means this application. This application makes the work very easy to import the products from AliExpress. Just click the button below. Then click the add button. Install. Okay, I added Pobello to the Shopify. So now I can easily import products from AliExpress. Before importing, you need to install the Pobello Chrome extension in your Chrome browser. So generally you can see this type of icons. That makes your job very easier. If you can't see this type of icon, you just install the Chrome extension. Chrome extension Pobello in Google. You can see the Pobello AliExpress product importer Google Chrome. You just hit the button and install the Chrome extension in your browser. I already have this extension, so I don't need to install this. So you can install this extension in a few seconds. So after that you come back to the AliExpress. Then just the first one is drop earrings. So here we already see here drop earrings. Just click here. Here you can see the lot of options, your minimum price and maximum price, and the free shipping products only, and the ratings are above 4 or above 4 customer feedbacks. These products only will be listing. So you can choose any options here. So after that you can select the product. Here this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so open import list. See here the app.overload.com/import. This list are opened now in Overload. You can change the title anything you want here. If you feel the title is very long, you can just delete any unwanted words and make the title very short and sweet. So you can do this any product, all the product also. Okay. So you can do because some people want to make the title very short, so they are doing easily in Overload. After that you need to assign a tag. So just copy the particular tag, come to the tag section, then okay, and after that next one, okay, next one, okay, next one. Almost I assign tags to all products, then just select all products, import all to store. Are you sure you want to push 5 products to your shop? Yes. Okay, let me see the products in the Shopify. Just all products, click the link. Okay, all products are imported successfully and perfect. Here you can see 0 in stock, 0 in stock, 0 in stock. So you can update these settings in the Overload settings. If the particular product is not available, you inform the Overload to don't import that product. So you can do this in Overload settings. So here I will show you to other products import, and let me see the shop design. Okay, then the next one is study. The next one is studies. So here this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So I'm going to list. I'm doing the same steps previously I've done. So just use the studies tab, paste it here in the tag. Okay, then here. And go to the top and showing 5 products. Import all to store. Yes. Okay, then the next page, the Excel file, the trains, and just search here, trains. Okay. This one is good, this one is good, this one, okay. Okay, so that's enough. Let's go to the application. Okay, so let's start with the tags. So for products, put on to phone. Yes. Okay, then coming in Express. Then the final is the bangles. So just search here bangles. Okay. I already told you can filter any of your preferred options here, the free shipping or above 4 ratings and minimum price, maximum price, anything. And here I just want to show you the sample only how to create the store. So I just choose the products randomly. So this one, this is good, this one. Okay, open import list. Okay, bangles. Okay, and then okay, then select all products, import all to store. This way you can add any number of products in your Shopify store by using Overload. So okay, so then here after let me see this website in the front view. Okay, so nothing changed because we need to optimize the front page. Okay, so let me first start with the navigation. So first we assign the navigation menu items, then after that I will show you how to do one by one. So you come close to the online store. You can see here the navigation link. So here the two types of menus, main menu and footer menu. The first one is the main menu, you just click that. So home link, okay, it's not an issue. We'll give the home link. Then after that, our collections. Some collections. The first main category is earrings. Okay, here earrings. Then after that, the sub collection, which is subcategory, is drop earrings. Here just you drag one step inside. So the drop earrings is now comes under the earrings main category. Okay, so here you can add the menu item to the earring main category. Then start earrings. Start earrings. Add. Okay. So after that, other main categories now I am adding. Rings. Then the last one is bangles. Bangles. Okay. So then after that, hit the button save. Let me check the navigation. How works in the website. Okay, very good. It's nicely working now. Drop earrings, thread earrings, rings, bangles, home page. Okay. Then after that, it comes back and click the menu, footer menu. There is no any menu items. So in the footer we will show you the pages, our legal pages. On the contact page we will show you the footer section. So just click there, pages. Here I have not created the about us page. It's essential. So I will do that now. So just click the pages. Just click the okay, new page. What else? Here you can give something, anything you want, about your company or about your website. But the about us page is essential in your marketing activities. So online marketing. These products and the something, then just give save. Okay, just it was this. Okay. Now I will start adding the menu items. Just pages. The first one is about us. Then after that, terms of service. Then privacy policy. Then refund policy. Then contact us. Okay, then hit the button save. Okay, now we completed the navigation section. Let me see the site in the front view. Okay, so here in the footer section also the menu is not updated because we are not optimizing the settings. So let me optimize the front page and the slider section also. Let me go to the themes. Then just click the button customize. Now you can see the sections and the theme settings. First you update the footer section. Here you can show the social media icons. You can see quick links. You can see quick links. Then choose the menu, footer menu. Okay, so all the links are placed nicely. So then after that, get in touch. This is the text. So newsletter. So we just leave it. So if you want anything update, just click here and anything update the text here. Okay. So this is the newsletter section. So newsletter you can integrate MailChimp or Aweber or anything you want to update here. The newsletter section. So these are okay. So then click the button save. Let me see in the preview. Okay, it's updated. Thanks, please. Then after that you come here, the collection list. Here. The shop on the collection list. You can select any collection you want to show here. The first one I am choosing the earrings. So the photo will be automatically grabbed from our selected collection. Select. So the second one is rings. Okay. Select. Okay. So here these two banner images automatically. Okay, then click the button save. Then after that move to the next section. Featured collection. Okay. Featured collection. You can show here any particular collection. This means category here. So bangles, drop earrings. Okay. Select. Here the prices are shown in the Indian rupees because I'm showing the store in Indian rupees. You can set up any currency you want, US dollar or Australian dollar or Singapore, any currency you want to sell. You can sell in Shopify. You can update the settings in the Shopify settings section. Then after that, the second one, the featured collection here. So the second one is here. So just choose. Draw parents. And previously we used that. So simply the rings. Okay. Select. You can change the title also. Okay. Rings. Okay. So you can give any title you want. Just save. Then after that you come the last one, the features collection. here, so you can choose it any other products. Start earrings. Okay, select. Then here the slideshow. You can show any number of photographs in the slideshow format. So rich text. Rich text means you can. This is a text. This is something like a heading. Welcome to here you can give any text you want, so it will be automatically updated here. So just click the button save. Okay, let me see the store in front here. Okay, this image is missing. So then after that, this one okay shows nicely. Feature collection. This brings up the feature collection. You can change the title anything you want. So this one is a slideshow. Okay, this is almost we are completed. So if you click any product, it will be go to the product page. So just the name product will be changed. It's a silver color, it's gold color. Yeah. Then add to cart, buy it now. Then everything works fine. After that, the sharing buttons. So it's good. Okay. Okay, let me see how to update the slide. For sliders, you can use the websites called Pixels. This is one very popular website for free stock photos. There is a millions of stock photos are available in the site. So almost all niches you can grab images for any niche you want. This is a very high quality photos, very clarity and very attractive photos. You can get this get from this website. So the first one we want to show one photo. Then after that, here is the sliders. Okay, so just you can putting earrings. Okay, I like this one. So just go to the large image. This is a very large image. So the large image, this size is very efficient to us. So just re-download. So just save. Then after that, this one also going to its box. Okay. Download. Then next one, yeah, this one. Download. Okay. So let me do another one. Okay, I will show you this one. Okay, so here you come here, then come to the Shopify admin. So slideshow, you just click here, image. Here is the suggested size, 1000 into 500 pixels recommended. I'm using, you can use any photo editor. In online there is a lot of photo editors available. I'm using a Photoshop. So just open the Photoshop and resize the images for the required dimensions. Okay, so I have opened everything. So just resize. So this one, this one, fit this one. Just right here. One, then this one. Two. And this one. Three. So this four. Okay, I completed. So we don't need the Photoshop now. So just press that. So in the Shopify admin, just I select the image. The first one, this one. Okay. Select. Then after that, the close. You can add the image here. Okay, the slider is automatically added. Here I want to add another one image. So this one. Okay, select. Here's the come down here. I just add the last image. Okay, and you click the button save. Okay, let's see the store in the front view. Okay. So this is the slider. in the categories. Yeah. Okay. You can automate the sliders also. Auto rotate slides. If you enable this option, the slider will be automatically rotate every time. So just you refresh the page. It will be automatically, the sliding will be automatically rotating. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for viewing and please subscribe our channel for the future updates. Thank you very much. Bye.